Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your phone to your Mazda 3 Bluetooth system. First, ensure your car's ignition is on and your phone's Bluetooth is enabled. Then, navigate to the audio settings menu on your Mazda 3 display. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth pairing process, allowing your car to recognize your device. Make sure both devices are ready to communicate wirelessly. Once in the audio settings, select the Bluetooth option. Next, you'll want to choose Add New Device to begin the pairing process. Your Mazda 3 will then search for available devices. On your phone, ensure it's in discoverable mode and select your phone's name from the list that appears on your car's display. This step initiates the connection between your phone and the vehicle. After selecting your phone, a pairing code, often 4 digits like 0000, will appear on both your phone and the Mazda screen. Verify that these codes match, then confirm the connection on your car's display. Once paired, you can enjoy hands-free calling, stream your favorite music, and even get navigation directions through your car's speakers. If you encounter issues, try restarting both your phone and your Mazda's infotainment system. Sometimes, deleting old, unused pairings from your car's memory can also resolve connection problems, as some systems have a limit on stored devices. If the problem persists, check for software updates for both your phone and your car's system. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.